What made me want to join the fire tech program is these people really put their lives on the line. I've always wanted to learn how they prepare to fight fires.
Being in health tech, there are a lot of opportunities that are offered to us as students. Currently, I'm in the route of doing cardiology.
It doesn't matter what you dream, I got it right here waiting for you.
Ever since I was young, I have always known that I wanted to be in some sort of health profession. My mom had gotten hurt and I rushed to get a first aid kit. That's when I knew.
When you join health tech, you are actually getting these real life skills and you're also building an outstanding resume. I'm preparing future doctors, nurses, pharmacists, so I know that I'm making an impact on the healthcare field.
At first, it was like any other class and I thought I was not going to enjoy it at all. But being in health tech, we are given a lot of opportunities such as internships. We do work with cardiologists from UC Davis and we are currently doing a research study about how stress can affect the heart. It inspired me to continue my journey in being a cardiologist.
We also have a student-run clinic here at Valley High School where we provide community health worker services to health plan members in Sacramento.
We take screenings like blood pressure, BMI. So your number turned out to be 125/69. The systolic number is when your heart beats, and the diastolic number is when your heart rests in between those beats.
The students that go to Valley High School are really proud of being a student there and what the school has to offer. The fire tech pathway and health tech offer real life skills in the class during their school days.
Keep your thumbs inside, grab the handles, pull straight back.
If you really focus and you put the work in, you will learn a lot of things in this class that you didn't even know about.
Students should consider joining this program because we've got a big red fire engine and they get to play with all these toys. It's a unique experience. It's hard to find anywhere else.
It's really hands-on. We come out here, have some fun, and you learn a lot of discipline.
The big gauges are telling you the most important things, and that's your incoming pressure and your outgoing pressure. On a day-to-day basis, they'll pull hose, they'll throw ladders, we'll do forcible entry, pretty much the full spectrum.
They're just learning really good life skills in there and things that are going to benefit you in life after high school, no matter what career path you choose.
When you are a teacher, discipline is important, compassion is even more so.
You don't really forget the things that you do hands-on, and that's really the strength of our program.
While we are getting those benefits, we are also helping people who need it.
I want my students, when they graduate from health tech, to be confident when they go to college. I want other college students to say, wow, you did all that while you were in high school?
At Valley High School, there is a place for everyone. The diversity is what makes Valley a really special place because no matter what your background is or what you want to do in the future, you're going to find somebody to connect with.
It doesn't matter what you dream, I got it right